Hello and welcome back to our channel. We're excited to have you here today as we walk you through the process of creating a WhatsApp business account. It's a great way to enhance your business communication and engage with your customers more effectively. So let's dive right in. To begin, the first step is to download the WhatsApp business app from either the Play Store or the App Store, depending on your mobile device's operating system. Once you have successfully installed the app, go ahead and open it. Upon launching the app, you will be presented with the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them, and if you agree, click on the Agree and Continue button to proceed. Now, it's time to set up your WhatsApp business account. The first thing you'll need to do is select your country from the provided list. This step is crucial as it ensures that your business is associated with the correct geographical location. After selecting your country, enter the phone number you wish to associate with your business account. Make sure it's a number that you have access to and can receive verification codes on. Once you've entered your phone number, click on the Next button. WhatsApp will now send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Wait for the code to arrive, and when it does, enter it into the app to verify your account. This step helps ensure the security and integrity of your WhatsApp business account. Once your account is verified, you can proceed to set up your business profile. This is where you can make your WhatsApp business account look professional and informative. Start by entering your business name and selecting the appropriate category that best represents your business. To make your business profile more comprehensive, you can provide additional information such as your education background, business details, a description of your products or services, your business hours, and even your website links. This allows your customers to get a better understanding of what your business offers and how they can reach out to you. In addition to setting up your business profile, there are a few more steps you can take to further enhance your WhatsApp business account. For example, you can enable quick replies to frequently asked questions, create automated greetings and away messages, and even set up product catalogs to showcase your offerings. By taking advantage of these features, you can streamline your customer interactions, provide instant responses, and showcase your products or services more effectively, ultimately making your WhatsApp business account more professional and customer-friendly. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward process to create your very own WhatsApp business account. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you and that you're now ready to leverage the power of WhatsApp for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.